Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can download and install DrumTroop VST plugin in your FL Studio. Okay, the first of all, if you don't have that plugin, the link will be in the description like always. You can go ahead and download it. I have downloaded the 64-bit version for my Windows. It is also the versions for Mac, so you can download it accordingly. So once you have downloaded, we're gonna extract the file. It will be in the RAR format, so we're gonna extract here. So here it is, and here we have our DLL file, and here we have the preset packs. Okay, so once you have done that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually copy this folder, click copy. And by the way, if you don't know how to install VST plugins inside FL Studio, I've already made a video on it, so you can go check it out. I'll put the link to it at the top right now. It should pop up, or it will be in the description. Okay, we're gonna go to this C drive, program files, and we're gonna paste it right here. Click continue and it will paste there. Now we're gonna open up our FL Studio, and then we're gonna go to options, file settings, and we can go to manage plugins, and here we're gonna click on find install plugins, and it will scan the entire folders that has been listed out in here that you have selected, and this is gonna take a while depending on the files that you have and the speed of your computer. So yeah, it's done. Now we're gonna scroll down till we find an yellow color mark on it, the font. Here it is, our DrumTroop. So it has located. We're gonna close this, we're gonna click OK, we're gonna close this. Now we're gonna go this little icon plugins, and then we're gonna go to installed. We're gonna go to generators, as this is a generator plugin, not an effect plugin, and we're gonna go to new, and it's right here. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna right click on it and click on open in a new channel. Okay, and here it is. Okay guys, now let's check if this thing actually works. So let's load up the preset trap, maybe, I don't know. Let's just check it out. Okay, so let's make a pattern. Oh shit, if this works. Okay, so this works. I don't know why some of you guys are having problem with this. Maybe there's some issues with your computer or with your DAW or the directory that you've installed. As you can see, simply I've just copy and paste the entire folder on my FL Studio VST plugin folder directory. Okay, just it's nothing special. They have this DLL file, they have this instrument. I'm not facing any issues. This is working for me. So guys, please, if you're facing any issues, that probably means that you have some problem with the DAW itself, or maybe with your computer, or maybe you have to just relocate and make a separate folder and try to scan it inside your FL Studio. If that doesn't work, it means that you may need to reinstall your Windows on your computer. This is the last option that you can try if you really wanna use this plugin so bad, because I'm not facing any issues. It works for me. Oh shit. Oh. Yeah, this is a really sick, cool plugin that you can always see. They have a lot of bunch of knobs in here that I have no idea what it do, but you can always go ahead and play around and make a sick beat out of it. And I think that's pretty much it, guys. Yeah, I really hope this video helps. I'm not quite sure if I'm being able to fix the problem, because in my computer it works, and one of my subscriber, he's facing a lot of problems actually. So the solution, I can go for the solutions if there is no problems. I mean, like I said, you may need to reinstall your DAW and create a folder and go ahead, start from the scratch. Or maybe maybe you need to reinstall your computer, okay, because this is working in my computer. And yeah, guys, I really hope this video helps. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll put the link to it in the description. This is a really cool plugin that you should check it out, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace, I'm out.